Hey guys, it's Kevin here. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, and today I have a new product for you. It's for your car, boat, just basically help you clean all around. So if you are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment below. I do respond typically, so I'm pretty interactive here on YouTube. So the product today is by Cafele. I'll include a link. You can buy it on Amazon. That's probably the easiest way. But it is basically a car vacuum. I picked this up because my old one died. This is what it looks like. This is the box it comes in. It's pretty affordable. But what's cool about this compared to just any of the vacuum cleaners running up to your local store and picking one up is it comes with a lot of extra features. So right off the bat, I have the silver one, but it comes in gold, black, or blue. So let's go first, before I go into the actual vacuum itself, let's go into what everything you get. You get this hose attachment, which just goes here into the end to help get in more of those cracks. So you got this, and then of course you get this attachment that goes on the other end of the hose. Then you get a brush one. And then this is what I thought was kind of cool and made it different. So you get instructions, pretty straightforward there. So what makes it cool versus the other ones, it can also operate as a pump. So you can use this thing, throw it in your car, you get a flat tire, you can use it for that. You can use it for blowing up inner tubes, etc. So that is what this is. So you get the, of course I should have taken off the Swissy tie before, but you get the little tube here that you can attach, and then you get all the little attachment adapters. So you get this for filling up, basketballs and whatnot, and then the other various attachments for inner tubes. And then it includes an extra fuse in case you blow the fuse for some reason. So it does not, you don't plug it into the wall outlet, you plug it into your cigarette lighter, so that's why it's kind of for boats and cars and whatnot. So here's the attachment. They do say it's a wet dry vac, so you can use it on wet stuff. I have not tried it on anything wet yet, but it works great in the car. So it has a button here for a light, which is right here, and then on and off button, pretty straightforward. There's the release button here to open out the dustbin. You take this out, dump it out, pretty straightforward. And then on the back here is where you can use for your tire. So you just attach the back here straight on, and then push this down. Basically, you just put that down, and then this side goes onto your tire. So I like it because it's it's very versatile. It's for a lot of situations. I used to keep in my car a pump to fill in case I need it for a tire, or then I had another pump for filling inner tubes if we went to the lake or something like that. So this now has kind of replaced all that. If you're in the market for a car vacuum, I would totally check it out. Feel free to check out the other reviews on Amazon, see what everybody's saying about it. Like I said, I'll include a link and more information down below. And if you enjoyed the video, you thought it was helpful, help me out. Be sure to subscribe and like and comment below. So until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.